Hello students, welcome back in dance tutorial. Today we will learn about circle glide or turn glide. But first you should know what is circle glide. Just look at me. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know, you all know about circle glide. But today we will learn how to use circle glide. Let's start. Okay students, it's my right leg and it's my left leg. So first just look your right side and start with your right leg. My body weight on my right leg and my right knee is out, right heel is up. Now just transfer your body weight from right leg to left leg and drag back your left leg back side like this. Okay, do again. See, just take this position, right knee out and right heel up. And now first count is just drag your left leg and transfer your body weight. It's 1. Now my left heel is up and my right knee is out. Now just take your right leg close to your left leg and shift again your body weight like this. It's 2. Do again slow. First take this position. Now just do 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1. Then drag back. 2. Okay. Do again slow. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2. One more time. Same again. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2. Stay there. Now the third point is just right knee, press it down, and now this time left leg back. But just look back side with this step. Stay there. 5, 6, 7 and go. 3. Now I'm looking back side. One more time. Now 1, 2, 3 count. 5, 6, 7 and go. Slow. 1. Now change. 2. Shift again. 3. Okay. Now this time my left heel is up and left knee is out. It means my all body weight is on left leg. Now again I'll change my position and shift my body weight from left leg to right leg. It's this. Okay, and it's my first position. Okay, it means I'm doing only 4 counts. See, just look again. Slow. 5, 6, 7 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's very easy. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now practice yourself and make your dance more beautiful. Take care students. Keep dancing, keep smiling, stay safe.